Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got a little older truck than I normally have, but it's just got so much going for it. I just couldn't resist this thing. This is a 2008 Chevrolet, and it's a C7500 series. And it says Duramax on it, but you got to keep in mind that that's a 7500 series. So that is not the little V8 Duramax you guys are used to. This has got the commercial high torque inline 7.8 big truck motor in it. That's just an awesome unit. And this truck was a city truck. We obtained it here over the weekend, drove it here. Oh wow, about 14 hours, something like that. What we did, we picked it up. It was a city-owned truck, and the tires on it had good tread, but they were really old, as you can imagine. And so we had all 6 new tires put on it. It is knee-deep in buyer's toolboxes here. If you look at our website, I have it photographed with all the boxes open, but they're all aluminum. Nothing's going to go wrong there. Dump trucks, I always think it's kind of important that you see what you're buying, and so that's what that looks like. We haven't color washed, we haven't done anything. It's just a nice, solid unit. Spring suspension, heavy ram, all steel of course, and it's got a couple little surprises on it. Here's something that you don't see on dump trucks very often. Look at there, all steel bed of course. But look at this right here, that's a Tommy lift. That is a, let's see, 1,600 pound Tommy lift. And we're just gonna set it back up there for you, so that you see that it works. Another thing it has right there is the Tarp, and that is a automatic Tarp. There's the motor up there in the far right hand corner, if you can see that. Again, all the boxes on this side here, solid truck. The 2 boxes on this side are pass-through. So you can put big shovels and all that kind of stuff in there. And it's the same thing on the top box. And it's a crew cab. And it is spectacular. Super clean, no issues. No holes, nice. Door panels are solid. For a GM, that's actually pretty impressive. Sometimes they're a little weak. That little rattle is just that right there. So, again, floorboards are great, seats are great, all the stuff. Headliner is just coming down a little bit by the windshield there. And again, all new tires, big heavy duty 7500 series. Such an awesome truck. Big steel front bumper on it. Oh, looky, it's even got the air horns up there. What a cool truck. There's your electric motor right up there for that electric Tarp. And of course, everything here just as clean as the other side. No hidden stuff there. Look at here, guys. 08, that's what you're buying. You don't have to buy some old rusty thing up north. You know what? You could just drive down here to Henderson, Tennessee, and you can pick up yourself a really nice truck right here. So on the inside right here again, got just a little bit of snag on the seat, no big deal. Cruise control is right there. Ooh, the air feels good. It's about 94 degrees right now here in Henderson. So you got a AM/FM sound system. Probably don't have a station. Well, don't know. Might be smarter than me. Air brakes, both for the trailer and for the cab. In the back, there's a Pintle hitch and the air hook connectors. Air conditioning feels great. That is a 6-speed Allison automatic. And no lights on. The truck is running. You can see the tach is right there. And look at there. 24,000 miles. 40 pounds of oil pressure at an idle. Not bad, huh?